Hello, my name is Mona, and I am your teacher of thing. So it means that I can teach you. I can teach you to learn something new. Today we are talking about how to memorize something. This video could be helpful to students from high school or even college and university, and even older than that, for whatever you are learning. So this is called, maybe you know that, but if you, in case you don't know, I would like to talk about it. So it's called a flashcard memorizing system. In this way, first we need something like this flashcard, or could be this kind of flashcard. You can cut the paper, A4 paper, into 4, or you can buy something like that. It doesn't matter what this is, but you just need a piece of paper to do that. So for memorizing things, on one side you should write the question, or if you're memorizing or learning about new language, you should write the vocabulary on one side, and the meaning, the concept, the sentences, or whatever information you have related to that question or that problem or that vocabulary, that word, you gotta write it at the back. This is the thing. You can also use this for even for like mathematics, like for example this how about this formula, what is the answer. It could be used for everything you want to memorize and you want to learn and keep in your mind. So after writing everything, which is for sure, it's not something that you do it just only today. It's over time. You got to do it every day. And so for sure, like for example, you say, okay, I want to read this book for 1 month. The first day you start the book, whatever it is, about I'm gonna just say an example, like a vocabulary book. So you start the first vocabulary lesson, and that day you say, okay, today I'm going to finish this lesson number 1, and all the vocabularies, like there are 10 vocabularies on the first lesson. So you gotta write down all those 10 vocabularies if you don't know it. If you know it, just leave it. But if you don't know, you want to learn it, so you will write all those 10 vocabularies on the flashcards. Okay, the next day, first you gotta practice, you gotta review those 10 vocabularies. If you already know the vocabulary, you can set it aside in one like box, or if you can find 2 boxes, 1 box for the forgotten vocabulary, forgotten information, another box for or another bag for the vocabularies or information you have learned. So afterwards, you're gonna review those 10 vocabularies and divide those vocabularies in 2 boxes. After reviewing, you go to the second lesson, right? Lesson number 2. You do that. You do the same thing as the first lesson with the lesson 2, and on the third day you gotta review 2 lessons, lesson 1 and lesson 2. For sure, for lesson 1, you're not gonna review all of the vocabulary. Probably a few of them or a couple of them. It depends on people. So on the third day, you go on the third lesson and you review number 1 and number 2. Fourth day, you will review 3 lessons. And day 5, you will review 4 lessons. You gotta do this like for 1 week. After 1 week, for sure, so the number of the vocabularies or information you are reviewing from lesson 1 would be a few, maybe 1 or 2, lesson 2 more, lesson 3. So don't worry about the numbers, just put them in the appropriate boxes and you're gonna know about it. About the already learned vocabularies, maybe after 1 month you can review once, but if you have put the vocabularies in the learned list box, you don't need to review every day. You can review after 1 month. That is, I really like to talk about it because many high school students struggle with this kind of thing, to how to memorize, how to study. So I hope it would be helpful. If you like it and you like to have more such lessons, so please subscribe and hit the like button. And thank you for watching. Bye.